Hi people, alright. I know what you guys must be first thinking. Am I wearing any pants? And the question to you is, no, I'm not wearing any pants. I'm just like in my pajamas right now and yeah, okay, anyway, let's just get this video rolling. So the other day, right, I asked on Instagram whether people wanted to know anything about relating to photography or any question which they would like to know. Alright, so one of my followers asked me a good question. He said, I'm always struggling with the color tone. So when I edit the portrait, how are you? So I DM him back just to ask him what his question mean. So and just to clarify what he was asking. So I was like, what his color tone is about. So basically he's trying to ask me whether when you use, so basically his problem is that when he use his presets, like it does not fit the human skin tone, right? So he finds it quite weird. So basically he has a problem when he adjusts the I'll just show you what I mean. Alright, so I'm gonna be using this picture which I recently just uploaded. Basically it looks like this. It's fully edited already, but so I'm just gonna show you with the raw picture, so that because this tutorial is just basically on the skin tone adjustment, so I'm just gonna go into that straight away. So basically the first thing you must do is open up two tabs of the hue saturation layer in Photoshop. Alright, then the top layer you just saturate it all the way, right? Just follow me and I'll explain why. It looks weird right now, but I'll explain why I did do that. Then the bottom layer, you click this icon and you get a sample of the skin tone. Alright, so it's in red, but let's just say preferably for me, alright, let me just see the skin. Alright, the skin is a bit to the yellowish side. Preferably for me, if it's a fair person, usually the hue is more to the red side, more reddish. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys what I mean. So here you take a sample, it's red, but it's not as red as I want it to be. So I'll slightly move it a bit to the left, a bit more. Okay, it comes off very creepy right now, but I'll show you why I do this. Okay, so basically you click this icon, alright, you click this mask icon right here where my mouse is, and you command I to turn it into black, alright, so that the hue adjustment which you just did just disappear. But wait, then you change to the brush layer. B shortcut is B for brush, right? Then the background here, the icon here, it must be in white because white can paint on black, right? That's the rule in Photoshop. Then you just color it in. So as you can see, the adjustment which you just created will come in. Right now my flow is 50%, that's why like it's slowly flowing out. But you can put it 100% if you want also. Right, so yeah, so right after you just skin corrector, right? Let's just say you're happy, satisfied with this skin correction. You take out, you turn off this top eye layer, then boom, I just skin adjusted adjusted the skin tone of my model here. Alright, so that's that. So before, quite yellowish. After, right, more red and more fairer and nicer. Like she looks nicer, right? Don't you agree? Right, but that still doesn't answer the question. So he meant, so if he sets a preset, let's just say for example like that, say he wants his preset to be something like this, alright, immediately this will destroy the skin tone adjustment which we just did, alright, because it has like the preset all over her skin. So how do you get back that certain skin tone which you just corrected? Easy, the same thing, press B for brush. Then after that you change this to black, because black can paint on white. Immediately as you do that, I'll show you guys why I do this. You can get like the skin tone which you originally adjusted to, and voila, the preset which you have just smacked onto your picture is still visible while the skin tone is still intact. Yeah, so yeah, that's the tutorial for today. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.